Hello guys, my name is Gigas and today we are going to talk about UpWork and exactly about two new badges that UpWork has released called Top Rated Plus and Expert Vetted badges. Now, if you're confused in the whole badges system, this video will help you a lot and I will try to explain how we work, what are the benefits, how to get them, and simply how this badge system works on UpWork. So keep on watching this video and by the end you will know everything you need to know about all of the badges. So first of all, I would like to introduce you into badges. Now there are two original badges called Rising Status and Top Rated. And you get Rising Status for good performance in the beginning of your freelance career and Top Rated after you earn your first $1,000 in the period of 12 months. And these were only two badges before the new update. And now we have Top Rated Plus and Expert Vetted that we're going to talk about more in this video right now. And I think personally that Top Rated Plus is not as new and updated, but Expert Vetted is an amazing badge with amazing new features and new possibilities. So first of all, let's dive into the Top Rated Plus and see what is different and what is not. The criteria of becoming a Top Rated Plus seller are pretty straightforward and easy to understand. So first of all, you need to have total earnings of over $10,000 in the past 12 months. This means that you need to earn $10,000 in the past 12 months, pretty easy. Next point is that you should have a large project in your work history for the past 12 months. So basically one or more large projects in the past 12 months, same as with money. But what is a large project? So as Upwork released new badges, they apply them to only certain categories. So if you are in design and creative and this is videos, pictures and so on, your large project should be over $5,000. If you are in customer support, your project should be over $20,000. If you're in sales and marketing, your project should be over $10,000. And if you're in web, mobile, software development, your project should be over $15,000. And this means a large project. So you should have at least one project with a budget of $5, $10, $15 or $20,000 depending on your category, and I will leave all the links in the description so that you could look at your category and see how much money you need to earn. But of course, if you're an agency, you need to earn more money, but I'll leave all the links in the description so that you could look at the prices and at the budget so that you could decide for yourself. Next, we go to the benefits of Top Rated Plus, so why you should earn this badge. Now, from what I found out, the benefits are exactly the same as Top Rated and Top Rated Plus, but Top Rated Plus badge gives you more trust, and the client would probably choose the person that has Top Rated Plus instead of a Top Rated badge, so simply you get the same benefits but more high paying clients. So what are the benefits? So first of all, reduced fees. So if you work on a featured job, your fees will start from 10% instead of 30%. The next thing is more control over your job success score, and that simply means if you get a bad rating, you can't delete it. So it applies for both Top Rated and Top Rated Plus. Next is an invitation to submit proposals to jobs assisted by talent specialists, and this simply means that talent specialists from Upwork connect you with your client, and this is available for Top Rated Plus. Simply get more high-paying jobs. Next, you get job digest emails. That means that from time to time, Upwork will send you an email with jobs that you can apply to that 0 people have applied by the time they sent you the email, and simply the email consists of jobs that apply to your niche and your skills, and you simply can apply for jobs and win more jobs this way. So both for Top Rated Plus, Job Digest emails apply. Next point is faster payment. So instead of 10 days, you're going to need to wait only 5 days. So that is really great. You will get your money much faster. And finally, you will get premium customer support. At least I haven't used it even once, so it's not such a benefit, but if you would need a customer support, you would be one of the first in line to get that if you're Top Rated or Top Rated Plus. And now we are going to go in the exclusive Upwork areas with an Expert Vetted badge. And this gives you simply an option to become the VIP of VIPs, the 1% of the exclusive freelancers on Upwork. You will basically represent the best of the best. This simply means that you're going to get much better paying jobs. You will get jobs from Fortune 500 companies like Microsoft, Apple, Airbnb, and many other huge companies that use Upwork, and that simply means even more money and more legitimacy for your brand. So how do you become an Expert Vetted seller and get that amazing badge? Now, because the benefits are real great, the process is also really difficult. First of all, you're going to be handpicked. So if Upwork decides to choose you, you will get an offer to get this badge. But this is not the end. You will still need to go to the screening process. This means interviews with Upwork professionals that will check your skills. For example, in video editing, programming, will give you tests, and simply after that you're going to become the best seller of the best and get this badge. Now, what benefits do you get from this badge? So the first benefit that you're going to get is a personal talent manager, and to put it in understandable terms, this simply means a friend that has huge and great connections with big companies. So he will look at your skills and connect you to big companies like Microsoft, Airbnb, GoDaddy, and many other companies from Fortune 500. So basically he's going to be your bridge between a client and yourself. Now, who actually own enterprise accounts and what companies will you get to work with? Some of the enterprise clients are Microsoft, Airbnb, GoDaddy, as I mentioned before, but also, as Upwork says, 1 in 3 companies from Fortune 500 use Upwork and use enterprise accounts to work with Upwork sellers. So Fortune 500 again includes companies like Microsoft, Apple, GoDaddy, Amazon, and many other companies, and they use Upwork to find you an expert vetted seller to give you money for you to make videos or something else for them. So this is a really great way to earn more money from Upwork and become a really huge and great seller on Upwork. But same as Top Rated Plus, for now, Expert Vetted only works with web, mobile, software development, design and creative, sales and marketing, freelancers and agencies. But in the future, there will be more categories and more people will be able to get these badges. So I hope that this video was helpful, that you learned a lot of information, and that now everything is much more simple to understand, especially how Upwork works and how badges work. I will leave all the useful links in the description about badges, about benefits, criteria, and many other things, so that you could find even more information and learn more for yourself. And I think that this was it for this video, and I'll see you in the next video, and goodbye.